Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add transition to all pages in Canva. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're creating client presentations, Shopify sales reports, pitch decks, or multi-page videos. If you're building a presentation, a slideshow, or a multi-page video, transitions help your pages flow smoothly and feel more polished. Instead of setting the same transition over and over, Canva lets you apply one transition between every page in just a few clicks. Here's how to do it the quick, reliable way. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. This can be any design where you're working with multiple pages. You'll see your pages listed as thumbnails along the side of the screen. These are the small previews of each page or slide in your design, and they make it easy to navigate through longer projects and apply changes efficiently. Find any page thumbnail in that panel and right-click it. A menu will appear with a few options specific to that page. In that menu, click Add Transition. Canva will open the transition chooser between the page you clicked and the one after it. This is where you pick the effect you want, like fade, slide, or any other available style, depending on the mood and pace you want for your content. As you select a transition, Canva typically shows a quick preview so you know how it will look before committing. You don't need to add the transition one gap at a time. This is where the time-saving option comes in, and it's one a lot of people miss. Look just below the transition menu and find the option that says Apply Between All Pages. Click that, and Canva will automatically apply the selected transition between every pair of pages in your project. That means the same effect will be used consistently from the first page to the last, keeping your design cohesive and saving you a lot of repetitive work, especially on larger presentations. This approach is especially useful when you're aiming for a uniform, professional feel across the entire project, which is important for brand trust and clarity. It also keeps your timing consistent and avoids jarring shifts from one style to another that can distract viewers or make a presentation feel unpolished. If you decide later that you want a different look, just repeat this process. Right-click a page thumbnail, choose Add Transition, pick a new effect, and click Apply Between All Pages again. Canva will replace the existing transitions throughout your project in one go, so you can quickly experiment with different styles until you find the one that fits best. A quick note on expectations. This option applies the same transition across every page break in your design. If you add new pages afterward and want them to match, simply run the same steps again to bring those new pages in line. This ensures everything stays consistent, even as your project grows. And that's it. Open your project, right-click a page thumbnail, choose Add Transition, select the effect you want, and click Apply Between All Pages. You'll have consistent transitions across your entire Canva project in seconds, making your designs feel smoother, more professional, and easier for your audience to follow.